Best pickup date is gonna be 11:10 or 11:11 depending on business hours.
And what is the time for pickup?
The time of the day?
Yes, time for pickup.
Would be anywhere between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And what about the drop-off date?
11:14, and that would be around, I would say, 12 p.m. delivery.
Alright. What type of enclosed trailer do you have, sir? Is it a hard side or a soft side?
It is a hard side trailer.
And how many units can it load?
2.
1590061. And don't forget to include your MC number and your contact number. And the picture of your truck or trailer, okay?
Alright, sounds good. I will get the...
Alright,
So are you guys going to...
And here's what's going to happen, sir. We will contact the customer first and we'll let them know your past pickup and drop-off date and time. And once the customer will agree, we will send you a confirmation message via email and text on your mobile phone. Is there anything else?
No, I was requesting pictures to see the size of this unit. So...
Alright, I already sent it to your email, sir, and then you check it out. The actual photo, sir.
Okay, you said you already sent the photo?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And the dimension of this vehicle, sir, it has a 17.25 long, it has a 5.2 wide, and 7.8 height. Is there anything else, sir?
No, that should be it.
Alright, so thank you for calling Ship Your Car Now and have a great day.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was let me tell you exactly how long that conversation went on for. And that was 13 minutes. This is the second phone call because you can barely understand them. The last lady was saying that it was what was she saying? 175 feet tall. I'm like, what are you talking about, woman? I'm trying to get the accurate dimensions of this because the photo I have, the dimensions aren't accurate. I can tell from just the photo. So they did send pictures of it, which are great because I should be able to get a hold of the people that actually have this vehicle and just confirm dimensions. Yeah, it looks like they CC'd me on an email, so we should be able to at least... It's a really good paying load. And it's like, if you don't have an extra tall enclosed, it's in-op and it's enclosed and it's extra tall, you're not going to get this. So, it's close to home, so I'm like trying to get... Because I need to get out that way to pick up an Audi R8. It's like... It's paying like $6 a mile. Anyways, I'm at the rest station on, or the rest area on Ohio Turnpike, the first one. I'm gonna go in here and get breakfast because I'm about 40 minutes early for my pickup time, and we got another 45 minutes to get there, so we're early. I'm gonna get breakfast, and I noticed I have a tire that's a little low, and I noticed it was the one that I had fixed. I had one fixed just recently by a mobile tire guy. He put a tire on I had for me because the one had like a gash in the sidewall or something, and he put it on backwards so the valve stem's on the inside, so I'm gonna have to take it off and flip it around real quick just to So what a freaking eventful day that's still going on. So my phone stopped working. It said SIM card failure. So I pull out of, I'm loaded, I got loaded, and I got a phone call while I was there. And then I didn't answer it because it was going off on my watch. I didn't answer it, so I get strapped down, I get ready to roll out, and my buddy Connor's there, so I go say bye to him, and I go to text my girlfriend, say hey, because she's out making a delivery for me, and I'm like getting ready to text her or call her and make sure everything's okay. I don't have any service. I'm like, that's weird, because it had done this earlier where it said something about SIM card not found or something. So then I'm like, well, that's weird, whatever. So I reset network settings, and the phone comes back up and it says SIM card failure. Like, that's kind of inconvenient. So I ride up the road, they don't have anything. So I ride up the road, I find a McDonald's, I pull up outside the McDonald's, I walk up, and they have free Wi-Fi at McDonald's. So I can't I get onto their Wi-Fi, I can't make calls or text, can't even send an iMessage for some reason. So I have to video chat my own girlfriend on Snapchat to tell her that my phone's not working. While I'm there, I pull up on Google Maps at the nearest Verizon store, which is Verizon's the carrier I have, and I found one, and it was like 12 miles away. It's in the right direction. I'm 7 miles away now. I'm hoping maybe they can just get me a SIM card or whatever and get my phone back up and running. I've never had that happen before because this phone hasn't got wet, always has a case on it. This is probably the most taken care of phone it's got a screen, one of those glass screen protectors on it. It's probably the most I've ever taken care of a phone because I paid for this one completely out of pocket, like full retail price when I got it. It was like $1,400. So I was like, better take care of it. So I'm gonna roll up here. I mean, good thing I kind of know where I'm going. Like I could get back to the highway to get home, but if I didn't, like if I was out on the road, what if there was no Verizon stores? I mean, I could use Wi-Fi at the truck stop, but for how long? I don't know. And you know what's ironic about that is talking about GPS. I just went and bought a trucker GPS today, this morning, at like, I don't know, 6 o'clock. I finally decided that I was gonna buy one this morning, and from Amazon, and I get same day delivery on certain products, and I ordered one and it was delivered to the house already. So maybe my phone's mad at me for buying a GPS, I don't know, but I'm getting tired of Waze and stuff just while I'm driving, because I listen to like podcasts and stuff, and Waze will stop the podcast. But anyways, not the point. 6.3 miles away from this Verizon store. We'll see. Here's our load, but more on that later. See if I can get my phone fixed here. What a beautiful day. We're walking out with a working phone after 15 minutes. Here, I'll show you the load while we're out here. It's like 1,500 pounds. That's all, 20 couple feet. So apparently Verizon has this thing where, you know, phones have SIM cards in them. Well, he said they did some kind of update that they have eSIMs, so you don't actually need a SIM card. So he took my, oh wait, I bought a, hold on. So you don't need a SIM card, so he updated that, now my phone works. So it won't happen again because there's no actual card in the phone anymore. But I felt, not obligated, but I was really thankful for the guy, and it didn't cost me anything. So I was like, do you make commission off of anything? He said, yeah. I was like, well, sell me a case, and you know, just for your help, you'll make a little commission off of it. You know, there's other people sitting around that he could be making money off of, but he helped me out, was patient with me, so we're going to be able to make it home now. I wonder if this will pick up on camera. I'm I'm on the PA Turnpike, mile marker 123. Just came through one of the tunnels. Can you see out how hazy it is? Like, it smells like, it does smell smoky. Like, it was like,
vehicle on shoulder ahead.
it was like that on the other side of the tunnel and in the tunnel. I don't know if there must have been a big fire somewhere out here. Like maybe some state game land caught on fire or something. But on those mountains ahead, it's just real hazy. Maybe somebody will know when I post this video, if I don't find it, what's going on, but I don't know. It seems kind of weird for this area that would be a fire that big to have that much smoke covering both sides of the tunnel. Not gonna lie, boys. Been in a funk the last couple days, so if these videos haven't been much, I apologize. We'll be back tomorrow with some positivity and whatnot, but really just lucky and happy to be home. I had two really close incidents, almost accidents on the way home within 20 minutes of each other, and we'll talk about them tomorrow. Neither my fault, and just kind of scary, and just happy to be home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.